Most people search the web the same way they did 10 years ago. Type a question, get a list of links, open 5 tabs, try to piece it all together. Perplexity AI changes that completely. I'm on the free plan myself, but in this video, I'll show you exactly what it does, what the free plan covers, and whether upgrading to Pro is worth your money. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine. You ask it a question, and instead of showing you a list of links, it reads the web for you and gives you a direct, sourced answer. Every single claim has a clickable footnote linking to the original source, so you always know exactly where the information came from. Let's start with a basic search. Watch how it pulls from multiple sources and cites everything in line. This is the core of what makes Perplexity different from Google. What makes it even more powerful is follow-up questions. Unlike a regular search, Perplexity remembers the context of your conversation, so you can dig deeper without starting over. There's also focus modes, a feature most people completely miss. Instead of searching the whole web, you can narrow it down to specific sources: academic papers, YouTube videos, Reddit discussions, or even just your own uploaded files. This is where Perplexity genuinely beats every other AI tool on this list. It has real-time web access built in by default, no toggle, no setting to enable. Ask it about today's news, live stock prices, or anything that happened this week, and it'll know. The free plan is genuinely generous, but there's one real cap you'll hit. You get roughly 5 Pro Search queries per day. Pro Search uses more powerful AI reasoning and deeper source analysis. It's noticeably better than the standard search. Once those 5 are used up, you're back to the standard model until tomorrow. Here's what Pro unlocks at $20 per month, straight from Perplexity's official pricing page. Unlimited Pro searches, access to GPT-4o and Claude directly inside Perplexity through a model switcher, file uploads for document analysis, image generation, and $5 in monthly API credits. There's also a student plan at $10 per month with a verified.edu email, one of the best deals in AI right now. So who actually needs Pro? If you search casually, a few questions a day, free is genuinely enough. It's not a crippled trial. But if you're a student, researcher, or professional who uses AI search as part of your daily workflow, Pro pays for itself fast. Start free, upgrade the moment you consistently hit that 5 search daily cap. That's everything Perplexity AI can do in 2026. It's not trying to be ChatGPT. It's trying to replace Google, and for research, it does it better. Subscribe to Project AI for more weekly AI tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.